So by default, if I were to go around and type in a wrong spelling, like this is a paragraph right here, just like this, then you can see that it actually corrects it out into paragraph. But this is based on English language. That is because English dictionary is being used. But if you want to go ahead and add out dictionaries of other languages, the supported language that is, then you can go around onto the languages section and then click on add dictionary right here. So once you go ahead and do that, it opens up dictionaries and language packs page right here, as you can see right here. And many are supported just like this, as you can see. So let's say, for example, if you want to bring in Spanish right here from Mexico, you can download out the dictionary right here just like this and click on add to Thunderbird. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply go ahead and add this, and you can see that dictionary has been added. So now let me just go around over here onto this particular mail. I can right click and then go to languages, and I can change it to Spanish as well, as you can see right here. So I can check both right here, or I can only check one, and once I check one, you can see that it actually goes around and then change it out into Spanish right here. So you can go around and add in more dictionaries as you want, enable spelling check for both languages or only one languages as well. And that is how you can add in dictionaries for spelling checks inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.